there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions so you don't end up with buyer's remorse. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers and comparing two heavyweights, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, or as we'll call it, Kobra, and the Comgrow 2024 new version Creality K1C, or K1C. Let's get ready to rumble. First off, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The Kobra comes in at a wallet-friendly $279. Meanwhile, the K1C is priced like it's made of gold at $599. Ouch! So unless you're printing money, Kobra takes this round. Next up, let's talk speed. The Kobra boasts a max print speed of 250 millimeters per second, making it pretty speedy. But wait for it, K1C. Here is a speed demon with a whopping 600 millimeters per second. That's like comparing a cheetah to a house cat on a treadmill. K1C wins this one, hands down. Now, let's get extruded. Kobra has a new integrated extruder and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. It's like the cool kid in school who brings ice cream to class. But K1C isn't playing around either. It has a clog-free direct extruder that can handle carbon fiber filament and a 300 degrees Celsius high-temp printing capability. It's like the teacher's pet who does all the extra credit. How about some AI magic? Kobra is all about that precision and performance, thanks to its linear propulsion and input shaping. But K1C is bringing out the big guns with AI LiDAR and an observant AI camera. This thing might as well be a 3D printing Terminator. K1C wins this round too. Cooling down now, literally. Kobra's cooling system is like a portable fan on a hot day, gets the job done. But K1C? It's got a Ho-10 fan, a part cooling fan, and an auxiliary fan. It's basically an air-conditioned luxury suite for your prints. Finally, let's talk convenience. Kobra's LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling is pretty cool. It's like having a butler who levels your print bed. But K1C takes it up a notch with auto-calibration, auto-Z offset, and auto-leveling. It's like having an entire staff of butlers. K1C wins again. When it comes to customer reviews, Kobra is praised for its ease of assembly, affordability, and quality prints, making it a great option for beginners and those on a budget. However, some users noted issues with print quality and filament settings. On the other hand, K1C is highly regarded for its advanced features, reliability, and ease of use, making it ideal for more experienced users and those looking for high-end performance without additional upgrades. That's it for today's showdown. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Got a product you want us to compare? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, happy shopping and stay smart. Product links are in the description.